Could we, as a species, one day unlock the secret to eternal life? This question has fascinated humankind since the dawn of consciousness, stirring deep within us the age-old desire to transcend our mortality. Today, the concept of human-created immortality seems less like a fantasy and more like a potential reality. But is it truly feasible? On one hand, advances in medical technology, genetic engineering, and the artificial intelligence offer tantalizing glimpses into a future where death could be delayed indefinitely. Scientists are already experimenting with genetic modifications that could slow the aging process, and artificial intelligence promises the possibility of uploading our consciousness into a digital realm, effectively rendering us immortal. However, this vision of a deathless future raises a myriad of ethical, philosophical, and practical questions. For instance, overpopulation is already a major global issue. Imagine the strain on resources if no one ever died. Additionally, the potential for immortality may not be equally accessible to all, creating a society divided between the immortal haves and the mortal have-nots. Then there's the philosophical conundrum. If we could live forever, would life still hold the same meaning? Part of what makes our existence precious is its fleeting nature, the fact that each moment is unrepeatable. Would an endless life become a monotonous existence, devoid of the urgency that gives life its zest? From a scientific perspective, there's also the question of feasibility. The human body is an incredibly complex machine, and aging is not a singular process, but a collection of many different processes happening at once. Can we truly halt or reverse all of these processes? And even if we could, would the results still be recognizably human? In conclusion, the prospect of human-created immortality is a deeply complex issue, fraught with scientific, ethical, and philosophical challenges. On one hand, technology is rapidly advancing, offering the potential to extend human lifespan in ways previously unimaginable. On the other hand, the ramifications of such a development could be far-reaching and potentially disastrous. The question of whether we can, or indeed should, pursue immortality remains open. It's a fascinating topic, one that invites us to dream about the possibilities of what we might achieve, but also to consider carefully the potential consequences of our actions. As we look to the future, it's clear that the quest for immortality will continue to captivate our collective imagination, inviting us to explore the very limits of what it means to be human.